Open GK book, page number 56, lesson Sound of Music. Now Ayush, tell me, see the first picture. First picture. What is it? What is the name of that musical instrument? First one is?
Yes.
First one is?
Ma'am, guitar.
Sitar. Okay?
Ma'am, guitar.
Yes. Agrima?
Ma'am, guitar.
Yes, beta. Second picture, second one is?
Ma'am, guitar.
Yes, second one is guitar. Okay.
Ma'am, guitar.
Okay, beta. First is sitar, second is guitar. Amira, third one.
Yes, ma'am.
Third one is
Drums.
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 Yes, drums. Fourth one, Devjot. Fourth picture, what you can see in the fourth picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth, Agrima.
Yes, ma'am. Piano.
Wait, Agrima, wait. Piano, okay. Agrima, tell fifth one. Tabla, okay. Naman, sixth one. Sixth one, Naman. Flute. Musa, tell me all the names of the musical instruments.
Guitar, drum, piano, tabla, flute.
Okay. Yes, Agrima, you want to tell the name of all the musical instruments? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the names of the musical instruments.
Guitar,
Hmm.
guitar,
Hmm.
drums,
Hmm.
piano,
Hmm.
tabla,
Hmm.
flute.
Flute. Okay.
Ma'am,
beta.
second पूछ लीजिए शांति.
Yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, may I repeat it?
No, don't repeat. Sanvi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me the names of all the musical instruments.
Guitar, guitar,
Hmm.
drums, piano,
Hmm.
tabla, flute.
Flute. Okay. Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Come to page 57.
Okay, ma'am.
All clocks are showing different times. Can you guess the time? So tell me what is the time in the first clock?
मैम पहली क्लॉक पे बज रहा है 5 minutes 5 o'clock. फिर
Yes.
उसके बाद 9 o'clock. फिर उसके बाद 2 o'clock. फिर उसके बाद 12 o'clock.
Yes, very good. First clock, the time is 5 o'clock. In the second one, 9 o'clock. Third is 2 o'clock. And the last one is 12 o'clock. Okay.
मैम शादी से मैं पूछ लीजिए क्लॉक.
You want to tell Sanvi? Tell me. What is the time in the first clock?
5 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 2 o'clock and 12 o'clock.
Okay. You have told me first, third and second, fourth. Now, who will tell me the famous Indian poet? Yes?
Rabindranath Tagore. मैं
58 I am asking now, children. 58 and 59. Yes, I have not sent, but I am asking. I am revising. Okay? And when you will get the book, then you can also revise, children. So I will ask you, if today it is not learned, today you will revise. As the father of the nation, he wore a simple lion cloth and walked with a stick.
Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi. Okay.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes. She was called the saint of the gutters because she helped the poorest of the poor.
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa. Yes. Musa, he is known as the Missile Man of India. He was the 11th President of India. Missile Man.
Abdul Kalam APJ.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yes, I knew children, ये आपको learn है, that's why ma'am has not sent. Okay, just now I will send because now Devjot will tell me. I don't. हाँ, yes.
Can you send the paper?
Wait, Sanvi, wait.
Yes.
The most respected Indian singer, she also won the Bharat Ratna Award.
Lata Mangeshkar.
Lata Mangeshkar. Yes. Wait, I have sent this page also in the group. Only questions are there. You can see the question from the book. Now tell me, Ayush, a famous Indian actor who has acted in more than 180 films.
Amitabh Bachchan. Ma'am, Amitabh Bachchan. Ma'am, Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, beta. Yes, Musa, tell me, famous Indian cricketer who has made many world records.
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar. Naman,
Yes, ma'am.
he is the 15th Prime Minister of India.
Ma'am, please repeat.
He is the 15th Prime Minister of India.
Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi.
Okay. Amira,
Yes, ma'am.
the most respected Indian singer, she also won the Bharat Ratna Award.
Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar. Lata Mangeshkar.
Children, this is very easy. See, I have not given any answer and you are able to tell me. That's why I was not sending. All are knowing about these famous faces. Okay. Now who is left? Devjot. Devjot, are you there? Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
He is known as the Missile Man of India. He was the 11th President of India.
APJ Abdul
Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Very good. Okay, now who is there? Sanvi. Sanvi.
Yes, ma'am.
She was called the saint of the gutters because she helped the poorest of the poor. She was
Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa. Yes. Teresa nahi beta. Teresa. Mother Teresa. Okay. Now Sanvi, tell me, he is known as the father of the nation. He wore a simple, see, spelling mistake is there, loin cloth is written there. What is that? Loin cloth and walked with a stick.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Now Sanvi, tell me, famous Indian poet who got the Nobel Prize.
2 minutes. Ma'am, which question?
Question number 1.
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes. Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, thank you. Good, Amira. He is Rabindranath Tagore. Yes. Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
the most respected Indian singer, she also won the Bharat Ratna Award.
Lata Mangeshkar.
Okay. A
Lata
famous,
Mangeshkar.
yes, Agrima, tell me a famous Indian actor who has acted in more than 180 films.
Oh, ma'am. Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh
Yes.
Bachchan, ma'am.
Yes, beta, Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, now children, get ready for the prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Dear God,
Dear God,
we offer you our prayers
for
for suffering